Hello guys, I'm your host Rhythm and you're seeing Rhythm Stuff. Today I'm going to show the recipe of Chicken Mughlai. Chicken Mughlai is a very favorite snack of Bengalis. It is loved by all the age groups. So without wasting your precious time, let's take on to the video. For the dough, I have taken 4 cups of maida, a teaspoon of salt, and sugar for fermentation and some oil. First we will mix this on just dry hand. First we'll give it a dry mix, also known as moin in Bengali. After this we will add water little by little. I'm using normal water, but you can also use warm water if you want. Now that we have mixed it for 5 minutes, we will keep it for rest to a couple of hours. Here I'm adding oil to the dough because the dough will increase in size after the fermentation of the sugar. Here I am kneading the dough for another couple of minutes, then I will cover it and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. So let's see what we will need for our chicken mughlai. Here I have taken 250 grams of chicken keema, salt and pepper, 5 chopped green chilies, some chopped coriander. I have taken 5 chopped onions, 4 eggs, ginger garlic paste. I have taken red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and Maggi Tastemaker. Maggi Tastemaker is fully optional, but it gives a very good aroma. So let's proceed for our next process. Now it's time to make our chicken stuffing. Our oil has become hot, and now I will add the chopped onions. After I have added the chopped onions, I will saute it till golden brown. Now so that our onions have turned brown, I will add the ginger garlic paste and mix it for another couple of seconds. Then I will add the dry spices. Here we have to take our gas knob to low. Now I will add chopped green chilies. I will add some salt and then I will mix it for some time. And now I will add the chicken keema. We will fry the chicken till it releases water. Here we can see that our chicken has released water. We will fry it till the water dries. Here, as our chicken has released water, we will take our gas knob to high. Note that we don't have to cover our stuffing here. Now we will add the ground black pepper and we'll give it a quick mix. As you can see, the water that has been released by the chicken has evaporated. Now we will give it a final mix. As all of you can see, our chicken stuffing has become ready, and now I will put off the gas and take it down. Now I will make the final stuffing. For this I have taken 1 egg and now I will beat it a little. Then I will add some pepper and then some salt. One by one I will add some chopped green chilies, some chopped coriander, some chopped onion, then our chicken stuffing, then I will give it a good mix. At the last I will add the Maggi Tastemaker. Now here on a clean platform I will take some oil and on that I will place our dough, and now we will have to flatten our dough with the hand as much possible. Now we will grease our roller and make the paratha as big as possible. The sides will be very thin, but the center has to be thick, otherwise it will leak when we add the stuffing. After our rolling has over, we will add the stuffing and we will flatten it as much possible. Now we will fold our paratha. We will make a rough square shape and we'll seal the ends. Now we will place our paratha on hot oil. We will fry this side till brown. Also we can see that how this side has swollen and this side has given such a good color. We will also fry the other side till brown. You can see how this side has also gotten awesome brown color. After a couple of seconds, I will take the paratha down. Here I have done my plating. I have served it with Kasundi, coriander mint sauce and tomato ketchup and salad. So I'm ending my video today. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. And please comment on which topic do you want my next video. So till then today, tada!